Hi guys, Simply Colie here, and today we're going to be doing a review of the L'Oreal Ever Pure shampoo and conditioner. So if you're interested to see how that goes, please stay tuned. Weird. Okay, so if you guys don't mind, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. That would be so amazing. And if you could give me a like, that would also be awesome. Check out my social media links and blog below. I always have fuller in-depth reviews there as well. So today we are talking about this L'Oreal, Jesus, took it out of the shower and it's leaking on me. The Ever Pure Repair, Defend Conditioner and Shampoo. I'm going to put those down because I am literally wet now. Anyway, so these conditioners I decided to give a try because I did do a review of their hair masks, if you want to check that out above, and I really liked them. They worked, they lasted for a couple of days, they made my hair feel nice and soft. So I was at the store and I wanted to go buy more masks, and then I saw the shampoos next to the masks and I was like, why don't I just buy some shampoo? And I am a cheap person. I normally buy the 79-cent shampoo from like VO8 or whatever it is because I'm super cheap. But my hair has been feeling super bad lately and it's been driving me crazy, and usually how I fix that is just switch up my shampoo, and since the hair mask works so well, I thought I would try this out. So these are about $7 a piece. I got them from Walmart and I love them. Love them. They smell fantastic. They go on so easy. They make my hair feel silky soft. When I let my hair air dry, it just feels so nice, and it feels a thousand times better than it did like 2 weeks ago. I'm not gonna lie, I love it. It also is 100% sulfate free. So I'm not sure, if that's something that's bad or not. It does say it's vegan, dye-free, paraben-free, and no gluten as well. And so it's kind of like, I guess because it's called Ever Pure, it's kind of like pure ingredients or whatever. And it actually has helped my husband, okay? So he has like scalp irritation, and so he wanted to use my shampoo. I was like, don't use my shampoo, it's expensive. And he was like, I'm gonna use it because it's like so fancy. So he used it, and it actually helped a lot with his dry patches on his head and his skin irritation on his scalp. So now he's using all of my shampoo too, so I'm gonna have to buy another bottle. But so it's definitely nice. It's definitely worked. I definitely love it. So if you guys are looking for a shampoo and conditioner to help repair your hair, or if you have a sensitive scalp like my husband does, then check these out. I don't think you'll be disappointed. So that's my review for today, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And go ahead, just a reminder, thumbs up and a subscribe. Why am I saying it like that? I don't know, but go ahead and do it. It'd be great. All right, see you guys next time. Bye.